This is 82 video, and I will speak in this video about the how you make best website and how you can make yourself, or you can contact with a web company to make the website for you. In my suggestion that you first you buy a good domain name in your business links related, and domain name you can buy from the Namecheap or GoDaddy domain name. I usually buy the domain name from Namecheap, and also I buy the from the GoDaddy, and it's a good price. There are different companies you can buy, but very good price is from the Namecheap and GoDaddy. And then you need to hosting. There are many hosting companies, but in my suggestion, the best hosting is SiteGround and also the Bluehost, where I have all my websites in hosting. About the hosting, there are 2-3 packages, maybe for one website, or maybe a few 20 websites, or maybe 100 websites. So you have to decide how many websites you want, and then there is a package what you want, all those hosting companies. And in my suggestion, that the best website builder is WordPress, because my all the website I made through WordPress. And as for the all the information, tech information, that about 30 to 60% of the world website made by WordPress. So just imagine that how powerful the app for cut and paste website development. And also you can get a ready-made the theme about from the Elementor theme or DB theme. And this is also some are free and some are paid. So my all the website theme is actually free. I will buy maybe in future some of the theme, but at the moment my all the website theme free from Elementor and free from the DB theme. Also, you can make the website cut and paste, even the online e-commerce store with the Wix, WIX, and Wix. You can develop a nice store and Wix template built for blogging and SEO booster app. And no need that much technical skill no needed. So you can just cut and paste and make a website, even in blogging site or a shopping site or shopping store, the Wix you can develop. Also you can develop, if you hosting with the GoDaddy hosting, and they have their own website building application where you can customize your blogging and also marketing tools and also 24/7 support. And also you can make the website hosting if you do the one-on-one and their website building. This is called IONOS, and this is with the one and one hosting company. One on one, I remember long time ago, even I was buying many of their domain name and hosting, and they were in that time very cheap. I'm not sure about at the moment in 2020 because all my website is with the site ground and also with the blogs. But you can try and you can check about the one-on-one, about their hosting package and about the site building app. Also, you can do it with the website building with the site 123, and they have also easily managed blogging and also building SEO and also 24/7 website maintaining. Also, you can do the another company called 123 Rep, and there also you can buy your domain. Even sometimes they do the free domain and email included, built-in marketing tools, and there is no need expert technical things. You just make your website hard and paste. Then there is another one called Squarespace. Squarespace is a award-winning design publishing blog to social media, and you can do it, and that is a 24/7 support there, and you can make it. But here, this is the most important word, the number one, the website building word, that is WordPress. And you can create a blog in a minute, and a variety of pre-made templates, and there is a, you can say around 75 million sites made from or by WordPress application, and it is one of the most popular, and I can say that my all this website need of this WordPress the application. Then also you can make the website building one-click setup, that is web.com, and there you can mobile friendly and unlimited expert support. About the Wix format, about the online store builder, you can make with the Wix and fully customizable and feature-rich platform, and again in the Wix no need to technical things. And about the, you can make a online shop with this quite online, and then you can do it. This is the thing. Now about this website building, what is exactly the positive and exactly problem? First of all, you have to find your niche, what you want to blogging or what you do websites and what you want. And about the niche, you need to find out what you want about this. You are in a lifestyle, or you are in a cooking program, or you are in a program which is more easier, or you want to talk about or writing about more hard or tough things, that is like technical things, or the gadget, or about the financial, and on that financial there are a lot of other subsections like forex, finance, mortgage, investment, personal finance, and also savings, and also equity, options, the derivative, all kind of things, or saving, like where you can open the bank accounts and you can have to pay less fee or no fee, or which credit card you use, or how you buy a credit card where you have to pay not to yearly fees, or your payment is much less. So these things you have to be analyzed, and about your niche idea. Hundreds of ideas around everywhere. I made a lot of video about the idea. Already I made about 50, 60 idea video. You can watch my whole the video and series by one. So this is my the video number 82, and I'm now closing here, and I will meet the next video, and watch please. Thank you.